Jopuonjre manie mbalariany mag piny owacho Mombasa koni ogirwako chenro manyien ma piny owacho tiyo godo jolo somb jopuonjre manie mbalariany to chutho mago maonge kod nyalo. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche Mombasa, jopuonjre go koni okang' mar piny owacho duoko chien pok mar hola ma ichiwo ne jopuonjre ma mbalariany kidek miyo jogo maonge nyalo rem dhi nyime kod sombgi. Jopuonjre go kata kamano osiro okang' manyocha rowere okawo mar wuok oko mar sundo piny owacho mondo rangie uchumi ma pacho ka endie mahinyo oganda mathoth.
And we as university students reject the new funding model and ask the previous funding model to be reinstated on the following grounds. There is increased varsity fees and less aid. This results to more debt implications to the students. And if we believe in education as the greatest equalizer, then we must reinstate the previous funding model.
Many of the students or the university students depend on help to enable them proceed with their education. And the reduction by the government from 10 billion to 3.5 billion, we are against that. And we are asking the government to rethink of their action or to rethink of their decision. Currently, as I'm speaking here, there are students who are supposed to register for their November series at the Kenya Coast National Polytechnic, but they are unable to register because of fee issues.
Na kwa vijana, pongezi kwa kujitokeza kwa wengi ili kupigania nchi yetu, haswa vijana wa Mombasa.